Today's recipe is Pear Ginger Walnut Muffins. Okay, we're going to prepare our pear ginger sauce. So we're going to melt some butter. And once that's melted, we're going to add our diced pears. I used Bartlett pears for this recipe, but you can use a different type of pear if you like. And we're just going to coat our pears with that melted butter. And then we're going to add our sugar. And we're going to cook this until it comes to a boil. And then we're going to add our ginger, our grated fresh ginger, and we're going to reduce this until it gets to about 1 cup. And we'll cool that, and while that's cooling we'll make our batter. So we'll take our eggs and our sugar and we're going to beat that together. And when this is all incorporated, we're going to add our melted butter. And we're going to beat this up until it's nice and creamy. Now we're going to add our cooled pear sauce. And we'll stir that all in. And then we are going to sift our flour. And our baking powder, and our baking soda, our ginger, and our salt. And we'll sift that into our bowl. And we're going to fold this with a spatula until we see no streaks of flour. And then we're going to add our walnuts. And you can also add some more fresh pears if you like at this point to give a more of a pear flavoring. And then we're going to put this in our greased muffin tin. This makes 12 good sized muffins. Then we're going to top this off with our walnut topping, which has walnuts, ginger, and sugar. Sprinkle this on top. This will give our muffins a nice crunch. And we will put these in an oven at 400 degrees for around 16 minutes or until the center is cooked through. And enjoy. If you would like to see a specific recipe, please leave a comment below. Here are 2 more of my videos you may be interested in. Thanks for watching.